Good morning, students. This is Srikanth sir, your new maths teacher. 7th class mathematics syllabus is as follows. See here, we have 15 chapters. The first chapter integers, second chapter fractions and decimals, third chapter data handling, fourth chapter simple equation, fifth chapter lines and angle, sixth chapter triangle and its properties, seventh chapter congruence of triangles, eighth chapter comparing quantities, ninth chapter rational numbers, 10th chapter practical geometry, 11th chapter perimeter and area, 12th chapter algebraic expressions, 13th chapter exponential power, 14th chapter symmetry, 15th chapter visualizing solid shapes. In this first chapter we'll discuss what are integers. What I written here? Integers are numbers, can be positive numbers, can be negative numbers, in between we have zero value, do not have decimals, do not have fractions. A small introduction. Before you know natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers, but these set of numbers do not include 0. This is because you cannot count 0. So natural numbers are what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called natural numbers. What are whole numbers here? All natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called here whole numbers. So what about integers here? Integers include all natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. For example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So towards right side positive values, towards left side negative values. In between we have a 0. These are called what here? Integers. So we can say positive integers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Negative integers -1, -2, -3 and so on. 0 which is an integer that is neither negative nor positive. See here some examples. What are integers? What are non-integers? Integers 5 and 10059. See -33, -478, 29. These are integers. What are non-integers? Decimal. In first slide only what I said here, decimals are not allowed in integers. See negative decimal point and 2/3 is a fraction. Fraction is also not allowed here. 6 and half, that is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are not allowed. -83.9 decimal point is also not allowed. See here carefully what are the difference between integers and non-integers. See here next slide what I written here. When you count you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are listing integers here. To count the other direction here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We already discussed this one. And these are the examples what I shown here. See here, positive temperature reading. All numbers in this photo are positive. See here, this is temperature instrument here. So we have a positive values. So in practical oriented examples here, this temperature instrument has positive values, and this iPod next to this temperature diagram we have iPod which has some negative values here. This negative. So in real time we can say positive values and negative values. We can see this type of instruments here, iPod and temperature instrument. Just now we are discussed positive and negative integers. See here positive what I written here. When the temperature is above 0, that is 1 degree, whether it is in Fahrenheit, otherwise Fahrenheit and Celsius degree centigrade. See here, when the temperature is above 0 here, what we can say all positive values. when you are above the ground here, so we have a temperature is positive, we'll get positive values here. When you earn money is a positive, you have 5 rupees, 10 rupees is a positive value. In hockey, when you team scores goal, you will get scores, no, 1, see here, 1 goal, 2, so it's a positive value. What about a negative value? When the temperature below 0, when you are below the ground, if you go to the ground, below the ground, what will happen? Temperature going to be reduced. That means minus, negative. When you spend money, negative, you don't have any money here. Suppose you have a 10 rupees, you spend it for anything buying here. So what will happen? Less than, that is minus 10. Now you have minus 10, that is you spend it. That is negative value. In hockey, when the other team scores a goal here, so you'll lose. That means negative value. Next, what I shown here, number line. Positive integers increase in increments of 1 as you move to the right. Yes, if you are moving towards right here, starting from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What about negative integers? Mirror this. Moving to the left of 0, however, even though they appear to getting bigger, they are actually getting smaller. So if you are moving towards left direction, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. But one thing carefully you should identify that, see what is trying to say here, even though they appear to be bigger, negative values are bigger. Suppose minus 5 is 1 smaller than minus 4, minus 6 is smaller than minus 5, minus 7 is smaller than minus 6. See the carefully, if bigger value compared to smaller value, when they are in negative numbers, a smaller value is bigger. That means suppose minus 10 is smaller than, what here, minus 10, that is minus 9, correct or not? See here what I written here again, minus 5 is one number smaller than minus 4. I hope you understood. We'll continue next class. Before that, you should write the notes what I mentioned in the slides. At the same time, write some examples for natural numbers and whole numbers, integers, and draw the number line in your chart that is related to integers. Thank you, students.